This is by NECA. Oh yeah, let's show the side. NECA and Real Toys. The bottom. Oh, okay, so this shows you who created what. It's by New Line Cinema, NECAonline.com. I'm not too keen usually on the remakes, but as far as the action figure goes, I really do like this one in particular, as for the reasons I mentioned earlier. So Freddy Krueger and Jason Voorhees return to terrorize the teenage population, except this time they're out to get each other as well. So the box rendering shows the close-up without the mask. You can pose him sitting down. You can attach the fire flames to the blade. Includes 3 masks to machete. Machete, that's the word I was looking for. A fire effect and a teddy bear. Now, as you guys know, I'm not going to be ever selling these probably, so we're okay to open this up. Now, if you check the description, I'm going to leave links to all of these. You can buy these on Amazon, you can buy these through wish.com, and I'm going to leave the best links for you guys. So let's look at underneath the box. It's just a forest. So as I mentioned, I like the way they hid the joints under the pants. Some of the earlier toys that I've gotten, they actually did a terrible job hiding them. As an example, right here on this Carnage, you can see right here a big giant bull joint. Sure, they have lots and lots of articulation, but like when you compare this versus this is done way better. So let's take this out of the box now. Alright, wow, he feels very nice. Wow, very nice materials. You can pull back his jacket. I wonder if you can, well, yeah, right there, I think it was glued. I don't know if it was glued or not. I doubt that you can take off the jacket because it looks like it's part of it. But let's take a look at face here. So yeah, this is really nicely designed. The quality on the buckles is really nice. Wow. Okay, now you guys are a little blurry. Hold on. Okay. So this is the head. I mean, the detail, like right here, the buckles is really, really nice. So, just going to give you a quick overview of this and then we're going to take a look at the props. So, as I said, very well detailed. He kind of looks like the character from the Goonies, honestly. Kind of looks like a little old grandfather. Doesn't really look as menacing as he perhaps did in other movies. But then again, I don't even remember if we get to see his face in the earlier movies. So the detail right here on the jacket is really good. Here are the folds on the sides. Moving down to the back of the leg, tears and whatnot. Okay, so you can see the joints right here. Now the arm articulates all the way around. Let's try the head. So the head turns. Whoop! Something fell. The head definitely turns all the way around. The torso. Let's see. Yes, the torso also moves all the way around. You can see that the shirt is not attached to the torso, which is good. But I swear I thought that... Oh, he does come out. You just gotta pull it a little harder. Now, the way these joints are created, I imagine... There you go, he's more of a splits guy now. I imagine that over time, if you were to play with the positioning of these, they're gonna come to be a little loose. Like, look, even right now, it's actually very loose. Right? Whereas that one isn't loose. So, but anyways, that's Jason. Let's take a look at his machetes now. So the first one is covered with blood. Again, pretty good detail on the handle as well. And the second was the clean one, which I believe is where you put the fire on. How do I take this out though? Let's take the teddy out. Now I have also ordered the Freddy Krueger edition so they can start fighting. So I guess, do we take the bear? How does he hold the bear? I guess like this. He holds the bear like this. So you can see that the bear actually fits around. So that's pretty good. Let's have him look at the bear. This arm does also come out this much. So we can have it hold like this. Now let's, how do you put the flames on? I think you just kind of attach it like this. There you go. So that's how you attach this, and then you put this in here. The good thing about this, well, everything fits so nice and tight. I like that. Okay, so there you go. Now, we said that we have different types of heads here. So these are the 3 heads. I obviously go for the center one. So we're going to take the center one. We're going to put this on our character. That fits very good. And it looks really good, I gotta admit it. I have to admit it. It looks really good. But let's take this one out. And let's put this in. Oh. Oh my goodness, it broke. Did you guys see that? It snapped like a twig. I did not expect that. So yeah, so be careful. So I guess we're gonna have to glue this somehow. But until we do, we're gonna have to use this crappier little sword. So that's where we're at, unfortunately. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, click the like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And that's it. So we have found a place for Mr. Jason Voorhees right here in between Pennywise and Hellboy. So this is the collection currently. As you can see, it is getting a little crowded. Look in the description for all these links to other videos that I've done reviewing these. That's a 3D printed Hulk. This is non-posable, but it does have separate limbs on here. Then we've got our alien or xenomorph from, I think this is like the most likeness of Alien. We've got our Bruce Lee with her little mini Bruce Lees. We've got our Deadpool by Variant Play Arts, and then we've got another non-posable. I think this is Venom, very heavy duty. And then of course we've got the one that I showed you before, the Carnage, with actually not too keen about it, but this is again by Variant Play Arts. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and good luck with your collection.